Now I know it's a little senseless, but there it is. There's my Lucky Dave seat. And I got this from Biggs Harley-Davidson. I got this seat. Now my old seat, like I said, the screws under here, under this bracket fell out. I didn't want to wait for a new bracket, and I know a lot of people are out there looking for seats. So I just decided to buy a new seat, a little bit more padding on it for the passenger, and I would sell my old one. So I did. I sold it right away, basically. As soon as the new bracket came in, I put it up on Facebook, and it was gone. All right, let's go see what they got going on in here.
They got too big.
How's it going?
It's going. So you can have a beer in here, and you can sit down. If you want a pizza, you're fine. Or you can take beer to go.
I just want to sit down and have a beer for a little bit.
You can do that.
A little happy hour beer.
I will let you do that.
Thank you, thank you.
You're over 21. You look like you're over 21.
Yeah, I have an ID.
Okay,
it's okay.
Okay, you're fine.
I'll have the honey ale. I'll probably end up taking some to go, by the way.
And if you don't, you're fine. You can sit over there. You can sit in here. Just don't sit out front there.
Yeah.
Because we're kind of afraid people might see you from the road.
Yeah, no worries. I'm gonna go out back here. Thank you.
Start a tab or?
No, I'll just pay. I'll pay up front.
Just sit. And we've got everything canned in the bag, so.
Okay. Excellent. Oh wait, I got cash.
Whatever you want to do. We're so happy. And then tomorrow night I've got a band.
Nice.
So just shh.
Oh yeah. I'll cut that out on the video.
Okay.
I'll cut that out.
I didn't say that. It wasn't me.
How much are you?
$6.
$6.
And I'll give
Keep the change.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. And I dropped the glove.
Enjoy yourself. You can sit out here. There's tables. There's actually a nice group.
I got a truck back. We did a job in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and it was.
Okay. How's it going? All right. What a good time. What a good time. All right. Another new update here is I got a Tascam, and it looks like it's recording. But I'm peaking, so maybe I need to turn my input levels down. Input levels down. Let's turn it down. I was actually using this to record on my way here. And I think the audio is not going to be any good. Let's do 30. Let's do 30. And let's see what that gets me. No, let's do 35. 30. 33. Let's see what that does. Let's put it on hold. So I'm not sure. I'm really getting tired of my audio being sort of hit or miss. So I went with this So I was really getting tired of my audio being hit or miss. You know, with the just using the media mod and then my microphone plugged into that. It was doing good. I'm not quite sure if it's the media mod, the quality on the media mod, or that the Tascam will give me better leveling. I have no idea. Hopefully this ends up being better though. You know, I see everywhere on the internet where it says audio kills motovlogs, and I definitely think my audio has been holding back my motovlogs, the quality of them, not to mention that I'm terrible at editing. But, you know, everything is a work in progress, man. We're all works in progress. So, hopefully this ends up working out. Let me know down in the comments section if my audio sounds different or better. Also, between the first half and the second half of this video, because the first half was recorded with, I think, the input level at like 45 or 50, and this one is now at 33. So I also reduced it. I tried to watch it. Oh, hi. Okay, go ahead, we'll stop. So let me know what you think. Yeah, it was probably pretty petty of me to just go out and buy a new seat when I didn't really need one, and I was really happy with my Saddleman. But I liked the Lucky Daves. I sat on my buddies that had a Lucky Daves, and I actually preferred it to the Saddleman. Like I said, not that my Saddleman was bad at all. I loved it, and I probably would have rode the wheels off of it. And I guess I did, because when the screws fell out, I was just kind of done with it and didn't have the patience to wait for a new one to go. You know, I gotta continue creating content for you guys. Otherwise, YouTube won't recommend my videos when you search the tags that I have in my videos. So, in that sense, I just went out and got something new. What I can say about the Lucky Dave seat so far that I've noticed, it's a lot more plush. It's more comfortable, like right off the bat. Like I felt like my Saddleman, I had to break in for a while before it got comfortable. This one, on the other hand, not so much. It's pretty all right, just where it's at. There's not as much back support, I think, as the Saddleman had, or at least perceived back support. But I'm definitely not sliding off the seat like I was with my stock Low Rider S seat. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but my first Harley was a Street Bob Softail. And man, I would literally be sitting on the fender after jumping on the highway at like 85, 90 miles an hour. Yeah, no, this is a great seat. I love the little branding on it. It all matches. It's all good. Lucky Dave's great company from Southern California. I think I've mentioned in other videos, like all the good bike parts come from Southern California. Show them some love. I'm sure a lot of you guys have Lucky Dave's parts on your bike. They make great stuff. You may notice it's a little bit colder. I got different gloves on and I'm wearing a sweater. Yep, it's sweater weather in San Diego. It's a cool 63, 62 degrees outside. Last I checked on my phone, so you know, it's time to, I guess, throw on a sweater and some mechanics gloves here. I got some insulate gloves on the way. Thrash and Supply Company had like a garage sale, end of the year thing, so I mean, they're like gauntlet gloves were, I think, like $18. Like, okay, for $18, like, yeah, I'll buy a pair of gauntlet gloves for that, for sure. So anyways, thanks for joining, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, hit subscribe. If you like this content, you want to see more of it, give me a thumbs up and drop a comment down below with, I don't know, let's talk about what kind of seat you're rocking and what's it doing for you. Or tell me about your favorite happy hour spot. I love Jacked Up Brewery. I love supporting local business, and you should too. And it wouldn't be a Two Guns Tony video unless I gave some dad advice. So my dad advice for this week is be good to one another, man. You know, we're all on this rock spinning around the universe, around the sun, together. We're all in this together. I know that's kind of like a cliche, but it's true in a lot of ways. You know, how we treat each other and treat our environment and everything, it all kind of circles back around. So just be conscious of that, man. Be nice to each other. It's really not hard to be nice to each other. I would argue that it takes less to be kind to one another than it does to you know, hold a grudge or be angry. So, all right. Until next week, I'll catch you later. Two Guns Tony. All right, man. We're going to head over to the American Legion post over here and see what's going on.